that, this tumor may be metastasized because my PSA is up. Anyway, I swear to your name, this guy, he's working his face, he's crying.
The therapist,
Yeah.
the counselor.
Yeah. And I tell him
I
I acted prematurely. I said, I'm not in pain. I need to spend whatever time I can with my children.
Mm-hmm.
And he says, okay, he said, I can get you out of here. He said, I can get you out of here today. He said, I'm going to need three family members to come up here with me. You just need to let me know who they are. And I said, I need both my daughters and my mother. And a few minutes later, well, probably not a few minutes, an hour or two. And you've been there. They give you a number. They don't call your name. Mm-hmm. Number 32, you got to call on line 2. So I go there, and it's Carl. I'm coming. I said, Carl, I don't want you coming up here. I'm coming. And anyway, so I didn't want her to come. And Brandy's well aware of that. She said,
and this was at Ridgeview?
Yeah, when I'm in there. Because I need 3 people to release me to get out. So we get in there, and Carla has decided that I need to stay. Now, again, had she not have been there, I was going to be able to leave, but I needed to stay. And, okay, now let me go through the whole thing, and then you can say whatever you want to say. I'll finish the story, and it'll make more sense.
And then we got to stop because I'm just exhausted.
Okay. Anyway, so when they leave, I say, yeah, I know, I got to stay. So I stay, and then they decide that I need
shot treatment.
Yep.
Dr. Klopper.
Yeah.
The one, he's the neurologist.
It's going to take 3 of them that we're going to have to sign off on it. Have you ever heard of that in your life? First time patient in there, you got a tumor. I got the paperwork, tumor in your head. Kill you.
Yeah, that was crazy. That was absolutely crazy. And I called whoever the doctor on call was for Klopper, and I told him that I told him I was your sister, and that I could not believe that they were considering doing shock therapy on you, and that he knew as well as I did that was not protocol.
Yeah, it's extreme. If you're doing research, it's something you do after
everything else has failed.
Okay.
And he said, "Who are you?" He said, "Who are you? What is it?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Yeah,
because questioning my authority.
Right. And I said, well, I was a I'm lightheaded now.
Psychiatric nurse.
Yeah, I said I was a psychiatric nurse and worked at Ridgeview, and so I said, and we will sue you if y'all do this.
That's divine intervention, Renee. When Mother asked me to sleep in her bed that night, had she not have, I'd have gone home and died. And if you stay with me, that's fact. But Mother asked me to stay, and I sleep in her bed. I was not dying in her bed.